Hey everybody, welcome to the introduction to lesson number 7 called Columns. Let's start with an anticipatory set. So our last few lessons have centered around formatting text to make reading easier, right? But I bet you don't often see Word documents that use columns, so why are they important? Well, let's take a look at a few examples of places where columns help make reading easier. So we see that newsletters, newspapers, and flyers use columns to make things easier to read. Are these the types of things that you would use Word to make? Absolutely. This lesson will demonstrate the importance of columns and explain how they are used, applied, and modified. Looking at our desired result, you'll see that our essential question for this lesson is when and how are columns appropriately used in Word? By the end of this lesson, you should be able to display content in columns. This brings us to the end of the introduction of Lesson 7. Once this video has ended, move on to the next video, which will contain the actual lesson. During the lesson, take notes in a notebook or a Word document on adding columns and adding column breaks. At the end of that video, be sure to check out the final video for the lesson wrap-up.